Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we have something very special for you indeed. We are in a prime grade A location here in Whitstable, right on the seafront at Neptune Gap, and this is number 1 Neptune Gap, an executive detached family home offering a huge amount of accommodation over 3 floors, exceeding over 3,000 square feet of living accommodation. We've got balconies and viewing areas with beautiful turreted rooms as well, panoramic coastal views, and an amazing amount of further potential. There's a lot to take in with today's video tour, so let's do our best. But in any case, I would really encourage you to come and take a look at the property in person and give us a call in the office with any questions that you might have with this one. At every turn, we're going to be taking in that amazing sea view, but we're here to take a look at the property, so let's crack on with that and see what we've got. Now, we've come straight through in from the hallway and porch area, and we've had a look at the first lounge and reception space. Absolutely fantastic there, with that really nice sort of characterful edge to it and those amazing views. We've got, of course, the kitchen here, lots and lots of space to work with. You'll see that the property would benefit from some modernisation, but again, what an amazing opportunity this is for you to come and create the most spectacular home by the seaside. Now, coming through now into either a study or bedroom space, again to show just how versatile this property really is. You've got a good number of bedrooms here to work with, so coming through and taking a look there at that study or bedroom. On from there, we've got the separate WC to take a look at as well, just through on the left hand side. And then next up, we've got here the bedroom with balcony and ensuite. So I'll leave you for a few moments to take this space in, then we'll head up to the first floor and take a look at what we've got there. So here we are up on the first floor at number 1 Neptune Gap, and we've got a couple of bedrooms to take a look at here. We've also got the shower room as well. First bedroom there, fantastic double-sized room, again those amazing sea views, and then we come through into another bedroom with an interesting way to go there with the observatory access. Now, the observatory itself has amazing potential. The views up here are absolutely stunning, right across the beaches here at Whitstable, across to the Thames Estuary, right out to sea, and you've also got the Neptune pub right there on your doorstep, a wonderful staple of the area, famously known as well. So on from here, we've got, of course, the observatory, fantastic space. We've got another bedroom or study with ensuite area as well, and then we're going to go through and take a look at the basement level of the property. Now, this offers even further potential, so we'll take that in, see what we could perhaps do down there. We've got the double garage as well, and then we'll continue on with the video tour. So here we are down on the basement level at number 1 Neptune Gap, and we've got an interesting amount of space to look at down here. We've got, of course, the separate WC there, really convenient. We've got that separate access to the front there as well, so perhaps this could be an independent space in itself. Again, lots of opportunity here. Coming through into a really interesting space, of course, we've got the workshop here as well. Double garage on from there too, so a lot of room to play with down here. And again, possibly an opportunity to create an independent space. So this does leave us a good chance just to recap a few points on the property. This is number 1, Neptune Gap, an executive detached family home, an amazing opportunity to acquire a property within a grade A location here in Whitstable, right on the seafront. We've got 3 floors of accommodation exceeding over 3,000 square feet of living accommodation. Panoramic views at each turn here, and a little bit of modernisation required, but what an amazing opportunity. I really hope you've enjoyed looking at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.